Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you in an easy step-by-step how to index a post or pages on your website. So what that means is that you don't want Google or other search engine to index that particular page or post on your website. So you want to unindex it, you want to add no index into the page or post on your website. So here is how you can do that. And the easy it's what you can do. In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to do it in an easy step. So let's go to one of my website right here, and on index, I want to unindex this, the privacy policy right here that I already post on my website. So let's go ahead and unindex it so that it's not going to be live. Google and the rest search engine won't index it, and people will find it on my website. Okay, and so to get started, you want to go to your dashboard area, and you want to go to your page. You want to find the page or post that you want to apply the no index to. So in this case, if it is post, you just go here and you go all post. Then you can see all the list of your posts. From there, you can select the one that you don't want Google in the rest search engine to get index to index. Want to insert no index. So in this case, I want to add no index to a page here. So I want to go to all my pages here. So let's say I want to edit this one here. So this is the one that I don't want Google to index. So let's go ahead and edit it. You've already added it to your website. You can just edit it. If it is new page or new post, you can just add new page here at the top. If you want to add new page or new post, so you can also go from here and go from there. So here is the privacy policy that I don't want Google to index. So I'm just gonna click it and edit it right there. So when I click edit, it's gonna this box is gonna show up this one right there. So you wanna scroll down to the bottom of the post. So here is where you're gonna set up the no index area. So here at the general area, here is where you can see all your website. So you want to add the title here, the description here, meta description, meta title. So I'm using the page CEO settings, the plugin. So your one might different from my own. If you are using, let's say, all-in-one plugin, or you are using the Yoast or rank math. So all in all, you are going to see the setting right there at the bottom of your page or post. So here is where you're going to set it up. Here at this area, you want to click that, the visibility. So here is the visibility. If you want it to be indexed, you can leave it as default. So as you can see right there, it is in default. So we don't want Google and the rest search engine to index this post here. So you're just gonna click here and apply no index here. So you want to choose no index here, and there you get it. So you also want to go here if you don't want to Google rulebook tools. You want to set the link following. So you don't want Google or the rest search engine to follow this post. Just go there and apply no follow. Okay, that means Google and the rest search engines, they're not going to follow this page right here. Okay, and there you go. Yeah, if you want the post to show on your page archive, I mean to show on your page, to show up on the page of on your website, so you can just apply it. If you don't want it to show, you can apply no archive there. So I want it to show up, so I'm not going to apply that here. So when you finish, you are ready to go. Then you want to click update right there at the top. So we've applied no index to this page right here. So Google and the rest search engine are not going to see this. They are not going to index this page. Okay. And people on also your visitors are not going to see it on the search engine. So if they search this page right here, they are not going to see it on your website. They can see all the posts and all the pages on your website, but this one that's apply no index it's not going to show up anymore on search engine. Okay, and that's how you do it. If you have anything to say about this video, or you have any question about this video right here, please drop your comment down below. Let me know in the comment section area. Subscribe to this channel, people, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.